Well, 30 minutes later, freaking car won't start. Welcome back to another video. I can't record and do this. There was a car meet at 6:30, and my car decided to take 30 minutes to start, but we on the way. And it's dirty. My window, you can't even see out my front windshield. It's calling me, bro. I'm late, bro. I know. I'm sorry. Ooh. Man, I don't choice but to run that stick up. Yeah, you can turn it off now. It look like it's gonna rain. Damn tornado.
They make it focus.
It said manual. So you gotta twist this to make it go darker. So a couple people said they still gonna pull up here raining out, so we still gonna go find out what's going on. Maybe we'll hang out for a little bit and not get rained on. Shout out to your boy Kellen. But like I said though, it's about to rain, dog. Man, look, it's about to rain. Check out these little cars before the weather gets bad. Yeah, I said before the weather gets bad, check y'all out. I like that thing right there. That thing is sweet. I fuck with the Eclipse. The big turbo. Damn, big turbo. I like it. I like it. Damn, bro. It's about to rain. It's gonna pour it down, bro. Oh, it's about to pour down. Check out these cars, man. Is it on switches? Is that on switches?
Yeah, that's on switches.
What? When we got the trunk open. Oh yeah, it is. This man got 6 batteries back here, bro. It's on switches, bro. There go the rain. Why you brought the rain here, bro?
I didn't do shit. It didn't start raining until you pulled.
So I got here.
So you backed in and shut off.
Literally.
Look, it literally followed us here.
Literally. What's up, little mama? Hey, little mama. Zaya. Zaya.
Hey, it's gonna rain out there, bro.
Yeah, man. I gotta get quiz for it. The rain's coming.
Alright, bro.
Alright, man. Yo. Check out this bullshit. No trespassing. No trespassing. Hey, Zay. That's the end of tonight's vlog. My lovely girlfriend's being mean to me right now.
You turned off the air.
She's being mean to me right now.
And the fan.
Isaiah, come say bye-bye. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Positive vibes only. Like, comment, subscribe. Me and Zaya out. With my mean girlfriend. Peace.